Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back my channel. I'm Hazel and you're watching Mirrors and Vibes. Okay, listen. This video is gonna be how I'm creating new habits and actually sticking onto them. I'm gonna create new habits and I'm gonna document my journey, how I'm gonna do things, how my day goes and everything. Main reason I'm doing this is because after a few years I'm gonna look back and I'm gonna feel like I did my best during each phases of my life. I'm gonna feel that satisfaction and happiness. So yes, I just want to look back after a few years. Okay, well, I'm gonna use those tricks and strategies of how to form new habits and how to break the bad ones from the book Atomic Habits. I'm gonna use those tricks and you could watch my journey. I'll surely update you, all of you. I'll create more videos on this. I will update each and every step that I'm gonna take. Okay. So you could see with your own eyes if this is gonna work or not. You are gonna know. Well, without further delay, let's get into this video. So basically, after my 12th grade exams were over, I was sitting at my home for months without having anything much to do. You might be thinking like how lucky I am to be able to sit at home without doing nothing. But it was like terrible. If you ask me why, it was because sitting at home all day without having nothing to do, I would think a lot and my thoughts would be like really messed up and it would just exhaust me and make me feel bad and I just overthink things a lot and it was just really terrible. Okay. And all of my friends had joined college by that time and I had no one to confide in and I really wanted to talk to people, but you might be thinking like I was just lazy. Well, listen, okay, my daily schedule was like I would wake up pretty much late every single day because obviously I slept late the day before that. I would wake up late and I would do my skincare. I would go and brush my teeth, do my skincare. I would go take a shower. Then what I would literally do is maybe I would go and sleep again, okay? Or maybe I would watch YouTube videos, or I would just sit there without doing anything. I would just literally sit there and I would overthink. Not because I wanted to, but I just overthink and messed up. It was a continuous cycle. But you might be thinking like I was just lazy. But no. Maybe, okay, but I really wanted things to change. If I talk about me, if something could make me a better person in any kind of way, I really would love to do that. So every single day, if my day is like half wasted, then I open my Notion page and I start typing out things in a really organized manner, like what I'm gonna do for the next day. I create things like I'll wake up at 6 a.m. I'll drink this much water. I will take good care of my skin. I will draw because I love drawing. Okay. I would do this. I would do that. So many of good habits. I would work out. But then what happens is that after I'm done doing that list, I feel a bit of satisfaction, like at least I'm trying. Okay. What then happens is that after that, I just forget about it. And during that day, I think like maybe I could sleep a bit late. That's okay. Because at least tomorrow I'm gonna be productive. And that's a mistake. But at that time, I don't realize that. And I think like it's a small thing, it doesn't matter. But yes, every small action matters a lot. Every small actions and every small things matters a lot, and that's how our habits are made. If we are careless about things we do in our life every single day, we will make a lot of mistakes if we are careless about those things. Okay. So basically, the next day, I wake up late. Obviously, you know the reason. And the same cycle repeats. You know how many days, how many days I literally spend like that? If I have to count from the day my exams were over 12th grade, then about around 300 days. Okay, but till July 17 I had to prepare for NEET exam, so I was studying for that. So if it were like to count after July 17th, then around 192 days. I know it's a lot. I wasted a lot of days, and if you ask me if I regret that, yeah, I do regret it. Um, Also, you have to know something. That is, if it weren't for making this video, I would still be living that cycle, and that cycle was never ending. I don't know, I think this video will help me. Let's see how this goes. Certain things I want to do is that I want to clear my skin first of all. Like, as you can see, I have acne and I want to clear them up. And I'm not using any filters right now. Neither I'm not wearing any makeup also. You can see I have acne. Well, I'm pretty much confident in myself, but I want to be more healthy. I want to drink more water. I want to be more mindful for what I put into my body, healthy food and everything. So yes, there are a lot of things I want to do. For this, I'm sure this video and documenting my daily life and habits will surely help me. I really hope it does. Okay, well, I'll show you how I'm gonna do this. Well, it's 8:33 p.m. and 26 Feb. Okay. Also, this is my Notion page. This is where I journal. So for me, my today's task is that I'm just gonna fill all of this. I'm gonna fill this, and my to-do list for this day is that I would edit my YouTube video and upload to YouTube channel. I'll show you guys my proof that I did it. Hey everyone, it's like 1:18 a.m. and I just finished editing my video. Well, I feel really good. I feel satisfied. I can sleep peacefully because yeah, I did my best today and I'm really satisfied with how I spent this day. Okay, if you found this video helpful in some kind of way, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Also comment your views and comment your thoughts. Yes, also yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay safe and bye.